Welcome back to Instables. It looks like Hood had an amazing breakout today. We had two halts on the way up, and then we had a halt on the way down. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue going to tomorrow, as we did close pretty strong. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're going to be trying to break above going to tomorrow, and exactly where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And the only thing I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over Hood with you guys here on the 5-minute chart so you guys can see exactly what has to happen for us to break out going to tomorrow. But we did mention this one yesterday in a video, and we did continuously break out since then. We also did alert this one 2 days ago. As you guys can see here, breaking over that $40 spike was very key for us as we spiked into IPO at $40. We came back down, got rejected, and we did consolidate, came back up, and we did alert this one almost breaking over that $40 mark that we did have. And sure enough, we did break over it. We broke all the way up to $40 since that alert that we did mention. As you guys can see here, we did alert this one in the Instables room during pre-market, showing us that we could continue going to today, and we did continue to alert this one, as you guys can see here, and it sure enough did break out. We mentioned this one on their first halt. We mentioned this one on their second halt. We also did mention that when they were halted down. So again, if you guys want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. So again, Hood has been on quite the run, as you guys can see here on the 5-minute, and we did mention a very key point here on the MACD. As you guys can see here, we were trying to break up with buy pressure, and as you guys can see here, we were trying to break above with buy pressure going into today, and sure enough we did. We broke above with buy pressure, and we had that confirmation on this breakout, and that is exactly why we got that confirmation on this breakout. And sure enough, we have been breaking out since then, jumping all the way up to around $84, looking to see if we can continue. Now, we did have quite the sell-off, but we are consolidating here on the 20 MA. Again, the 20 MA still above the 50, showing us that we could continue. Just like we saw yesterday, we had the 20 MA still above the 50, showing us that we could continue, even though we did have a decrease in buy pressure. We did have an increase in volume, showing us that we may continue with the 20 MA. Again, the 20-day moving average still above the 50-day moving average, and sure enough, we have been breaking out since then. And as you guys can see, we're trying to consolidate here, trying to hold above this 20 MA, in my opinion, to possibly have this continuation going to tomorrow. As you guys can see, going to extended hours, we have the 20 MA that is coming down. We have the candles dropping below the 50 MA, showing us that we may have a continuation sell-off. But however, I definitely will keep Hood on the watch for breaking to new highs. Again, this has been on quite the run, so I do want this one to break over $85. If we can break over $85, then we could have a continuation. If we do get an increase in buy pressure, as you guys can see here, we had an enormous increase in buy pressure coming in today. But however, as you guys can see, going to the rest of the day, we do have a decrease in buy pressure, showing us that we are consolidating here again on the 50 MA, showing us that we may continue if we can get the 20 MA here to curl back up and give us more momentum on this. But however, as you guys can see, we are testing the 50 MA, possibly going to curl down. We're going to see what happens going to pre-market. In my opinion, if we could hold over $72 going to pre-market, that would be very bullish for a possible continuation. But however, if we do hold below $72, again, that very key resistance that we keep getting rejected at, not holding the body of the candle above here at $72, then we could have a continuation sell-off if we do not break above that $72 mark going to tomorrow. So I will be looking for it to break over $72 going to tomorrow with volume, but I do also want this one to break over $85 to have a continuation. So I definitely will keep Hood on the watch. But however, again, we have been on quite the run, and again, there has been a lot of buy pressure coming in, but not as much volume as we do want to see going in towards the end of the day. So we're going to see what happens. But again, we did mention yesterday that Hood likes to break out when we do have a decrease in volume in the market. So we're going to see if that pattern does continue going to tomorrow, if we do get a decrease in volume in the market and we do have an increase in Hood. But however, again, only on the watch, in my opinion, until we do get more buy pressure and we do break above into new highs, in my opinion. Again, this one has been on quite the run. I definitely would play safe. Make sure the play does come due. Make sure we break above very key resistances, and make sure we do get that buy pressure and volume again on every one of these plays to get more confirmation on these breakouts. But again, with that said, if you guys want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys for showing me love every single day. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.